the Murugha Math seer Shivamurthy Sharanaru has been arrested. This 6 days after allegations of rape of minors surfaced against him. He is a powerful Lingayat leader. He was booked under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, that is the POCSO Act, for allegedly sexually abusing minors. In fact, he had sought a pre-arrest bail as well. Let me go across to Shrija for more details. Shrija, take us through the information you're getting at the moment.
Well, nearly after 6 days, we see the arrest of the Murugha Math pontiff. Dr. Shivamurthy Sharanaru has been made, and after we understand, after a very careful decision, we understand that they have gone ahead and made this particular arrest, a midnight arrest, what we are looking at. Also, what's more important, what we understand from police sources, is that they have been trying to gather evidence in the last few days, especially the first evidence, of course, has been, Rashmi, who is the second accused number 2, in this particular case as well, where the minor girls have, filed a sexual abuse and sexual assault case against, especially the Sharanaru, and also, warden, as far as Rashmi is concerned, she was the warden of the Murugha Math, and now she was also implicated with the fact that she knew what was really happening in the Math, and she used to send these minor girls to the room of Dr. Shivamurthy Sharanaru. So she was in the know of all that has been happening in the Math, and she was the first person to be, interrogated by the police. After interrogation, hours of interrogation, we understand, she was sent to a Santwana Kendra, where especially children of and victims of domestic abuse are kept. So that was one of the kendras where they had kept this particular accused Rashmi. So based on her statement, it could be, the police could have gathered more evidence, especially against Dr. Shivamurthy Sharanaru, and finally they have made this particular arrest. We also understand he will be produced before the judge in a short while from now.
Also, Shrija, there were reports today that he was trying to seek a pre-arrest bail. What will it mean in this case?
Well, clearly, firstly, we have to note that already the anticipatory bail that was to happen today clearly did not happen. The one reason, what we understand, of course, the court went on to talk about, say that they're giving 1 day's time for the state government to file the objection. We also went on to see how the Odinadi Seer, the NGO that has been helping especially these minor girls throughout, also from, filing the case, and also in terms of the legal aspects as well. So we also saw the Odinadi Seer as well filing a separate application in the court to ensure that he does not get bail. So that particular bail was actually, the bail hearing was deferred by 1 day. That is, the hearing to happen was supposed to happen tomorrow. But much before that, we understand he has already been arrested, taken into custody. And like I pointed out, he will be produced before the judge in a short while from now.